Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the Crownz squad by hitting the subscribe button and turning on the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a video. And for my returning subscribers, welcome. You know I'm always thankful that you come back and show love. So if you want to know more about this beautiful wig that I'm wearing, make sure you stay tuned for more information.
It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy.
Hey guys, so today's video is gonna be on this, you ready? Lovely Outre unit, and it's a color bomb right in time for the summer, and it's Outre color bomb Jelisse. I think that's how you pronounce it. But with the Outre series, their color bomb series, they come out with these beautiful, stunning colors, and look at all that selection in the back, and you get to see it on the model in the different colors. They're all stunning. Like, you can't go wrong with any one of them. So it is HD transparent lace. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees. It has natural baby hair. It's pre-plucked, and you can get it on Elevate, Style, and wig types. I know on wig types the starting price is $36, but if you want the specialty colors, it can run you from $2 extra to $4. So it all depends on what color you want. And this is what she is looking like. Ooh, tell me that doesn't get you in the like party mood. Like, I want to be on a cruise with this wig, like, you know what I'm saying? But with cap construction, she comes with two combs in the front as usual, one in the back, and you got your adjustable straps, and it has a very breathable, you see the mesh material is breathable, so it'll be good for the summertime with the heat and everything, so at least your scalp will be breathing. But she is really nice, you know. Let me see, I'm getting a few strands. She's shedding a little bit, a tad bit, but that's expected because it's synthetic and it's color. Like, to get this color right here, it must have been processed a lot, so you're definitely gonna expect some shedding, that's for sure. But I'm gonna take this unit off. This is the Bobby Buzz Pinesse. I should have a video either coming up or it's already up. If it's up, I'm gonna link it somewhere right up here, so keep an eye out for that. If you want to know more about it, if the video is up, make sure you go watch it. But let me put this one on and we'll get started. So this is what Jelisse is looking like out of the box, and this is the lace. It's ear to ear, and that supporting space is come with the middle part, which I'm not complaining because your girl loves the middle part. I love my middle part. But yeah, am I feeling the color? Stay tuned. We're gonna style her and I will definitely give you my thoughts. Okay, so this is what Jelisse is looking like after I style her. So I did a little bit of baby hair, and the baby hair is very natural. I had to cut extra, like I had to put a little bit of extra hair from in the hair to, you know, make the baby hair more. But I try with my baby hair. You guys know on this channel, I've always been like, you know, baby hair is not my thing. I think it's because I'm not good at it, but I've been practicing. I think I did well. I did okay. And the hair is nice, you know. It's too thin, but I feel like with the summer weather, the summer heat, it's okay. And the color is fire. Like, let me come closer. Look at this. Isn't this like Balm. Yes, as in the name, Balm. But it's really nice. Like, I like how it lays really flat. Like, I didn't use any heat or whatsoever to like lay down. I just used a wax stick to just contain the flyaway. And when I tell you, there's a lot of flyaways. There's a lot, like the filler, not even flyaways, like filler hairs. I feel like the black up here is like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but most of the black up here is like filler hairs. It's like, it's really short, like right there, you see right there. Yeah, so you gotta watch out for that. So I mean, like, I don't like that. It's a lot. And they're shedding. It was shedding, but like I said at the beginning, that's expected with it being synthetic and it being color. So, but overall, I think I like the length. No, it's not too long. It's the nice. I had a brain fart, but it's really, I like the length. Just what I'm trying to say before my brain stopped working on me for a second. But I like the length, and it's very, it fit nicely on my head. Well, I say it's BK friendly probably because it's very stretchy back there. Like, as you can see, I'm pulling it back, so it definitely is, in my opinion, I think it's BK friendly. But I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she's looking like all around. What are you guys thinking? Let me know your thoughts. Like, let's chit chat in the comment section. Let me know, cause I'm here for it. Especially the color. I'm so on the color. Because of the color and the length, I'm gonna give it a 8 out of 10. So what would you rate it? I know you're not feeling it or anything, like you can't touch it, but I definitely think this is a wig you need in your collection, especially for this summer. You know, there are all these colors. You got options, sis, bro, whoever you are, you got options. And definitely follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook, and we can continue the conversation. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.